We have a great one today. This is a 1970 Mustang Boss 302. This car was built to race in Trans Am racing, or I should say the Boss was, and then this is the version that was sold to the public. This was a direct competitor against the 1969 Z28. They had a limit of 305 cubic inches, so just like the Z28, this is a 302, rated at 290 horsepower, which everyone says that was way underrated. And it comes with special handling and brakes and exhaust and, of course, an overabundance of good looks. So a very, very special car, 4-speed, and this is one of the nicest ones I've seen. Beautiful Calypso Coral, rotisserie restoration, concours judging sheets in here, the original invoice is in here, an actual number match, VIN number match motor. There we go. A lot of these Bosses have correct motors. This is the VIN number match, the original motor, 46,000 mile car. I got a lot to tell you about it, and it's all good stuff. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. If you want to skip directly to this car, scan the QR code that's on your screen. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This car was restored in the early 90s, and it's had about 350 miles put on it since then. But it's been incredibly well cared for. Just a couple months ago, the previous owner had a major service done to the car. We went through and serviced it in our shop. It is turnkey, literally one of the best Bosses I've seen in a long time. And it's born like you see it, again, Calypso Coral. Now this paint job is that old and it looks like it was done yesterday. There's no checking or crackling. There's no bubbles or blisters. All the gaps are right on the money. This is about as best as I've ever seen. Every square inch of it is straight. Literally no issues that I have with this car whatsoever. Quarter panels, look at it, it's like glass. It's absolutely straight, even underneath, not even dirty. All this clean, straight metal. Look at the rockers, the gaps, nice and square. Oh, that door just opens so easily. Shuts like a new car. Has the racing mirrors to match. Now these side decal stripes are reflective. When the light hits them at night, they light up like neon. Up on the hood and the trunk and the tail panel, that's like a matte black finish. So the body is outstanding. The Calypso Coral is polished like glass. It's beautiful. All the chrome and trim was all replaced when they restored it. The grill's in excellent shape. His front and rear spoilers. The stripes are not discolored. There's no spots or stains or buffing marks or anything like that on them. It has the correct antenna. It has the original glass. The manufacturer's mark, I think it's Carlite, is on the glass and is very nice and clear. The 15-inch Magnum wheels are beautiful. Now, only the Boss had the 15-inch wheel, and they actually rolled the fender lip. This is how the factory did it. The fender lip is rolled in for the bigger tires. Any other Mustang won't have that. Only the Boss has that. I mentioned earlier the racing mirrors. That's part of the package. All the chrome and trim and moldings look great. And it's trimmed out with the rear window louvers, spoilers, the blacked out rear panel, and the bumper, the reverse lights, the gas cap. Everything's looking really sharp on this Fastback. This is one good looking car. Why don't we see what's inside the car now? What a nice car, folks. Let's look inside the trunk compartment here. So the Bosses have this prop rod because of the weight of the spoiler. And you can see everything's finished off like it should be. It has the right sticker and the weather strip, the original pinch welds and seams. I believe it's an original metal car as well. And look how clean it is inside, all painted. One of the points that got taken off on the judging, there is supposed to be like a cardboard panel right here. They took off 16 points total out of several hundred points, and that was one of them. But look how nice and clean it's all painted. Has the correct jack with the sticker. This gray felt is actually authentic, so you don't scratch the rim. Space saver tire. The mat, everything in here is like new. Comes with a car cover. Comes with some miscellaneous extras like an auto light battery topper, some hose clamps, and some extras that'll go with the car. And when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, I didn't mention the wheels are wrapped in reproduction tires, the Polyglass GTs. They look to be like new. The jams are painted as nice as you can get. I mean, they're beautiful. Bottom of the door is clean. All the latches, weather strips, sill plates look great. The interior, it's like sitting in a car back in 1970. It's completely stock and in excellent shape. So the door panel, the armrest, window crank looks great. And do take a peek up there, even way up in the fenders, the hinges, it's looking dynamite. So this is all in pristine shape. 46,863 miles, claimed to be original. Optional tachometer, they did not come standard with that. And everything fits nice, nothing's broken, cracked, beat up. The dash pad is mint, it's not a plastic cap, it's an actual dash pad. Original AM radio and all the bezels and everything's clean. This is all nice and clean, simple. It's not a luxury car. All the carpet's real nice. You got the 4-speed with the T-handle. That's correct on the Boss 02. The T-handle is how they came. And the upholstery is in really nice shape. And back seat, same way. Has the seat belts and the upholstery, all the side plastics, all looking good. The lights work back there. The rear shelf's looking real good. Headliner's in excellent shape. There's the shoulder belts. There's the visors. The mirror looks to be excellent. The steering wheel looks great. Now let's just take a second to look at the book. This guy was super meticulous with his notes in here. We've got the original invoice right here. And he's also made copies, very specific notes in here. Yeah, in 1989, he had 46,500 miles. Then in 98, they had 46,587. Now just recently, 46,846. So 350 miles put on it in all those years. There's documentation of the restoration. Here's the judging sheets. Again, I don't know the total number of points, but at the end it says 16 points were taken off altogether for very, nitpicky concours type stuff. And then there's just receipts and, again, just documentation for this car. That'll all go with it, of course. Even up in the wheel wells is all painted real nice. Now check this out. This is amazing. So again, VIN number match 302, the casting codes, the date, all that lines up as well. Even has the tag right here. And then we've got the original aluminum intake, the correct polycarb. Those part numbers are all correct, so they're authentic. The complete air cleaner assembly, the chrome was replated. Has the snorkel with the heat riser tube. Has the complete smog pump setup. The finned aluminum valve covers. Looks like they're even reproduction dated spark plug wires. And you look at the firewall and all the nuts and bolts and stickers and the gray hinges. Everything's just like it should be from the factory. All the colors and shades. Battery secured. It has a disconnect switch. Up front it has the horns. The gray latch. This is like a different color gray. That's correct. All this is finished beautifully. A Ford radiator, the right cap, hoses, clamps, right shroud. And this car came with power steering. The Bosses came with a rev limiter, which it has right there. Also has power brakes. Look at the underside of the hood, all painted beautifully. I can't believe this car was restored back in the early 90s. It blows my mind. It looks like it was literally just finished. And then in the book, there's even more parts, steering parts, a lot of components are the originals on this car. All right, Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. That Boss 302 sounded absolutely amazing. Perfect exhaust tone in my opinion. 4-speed manual here. It's always a good time to toss around. Just a gorgeous rotisserie restoration. Definitely get on our website. Check out pictures of the undercarriage. We got body colored floorboards and all the goodies. This thing is looking awesome. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60. Boss 302 scoots. Really didn't rev it all that high, but numbers matching drivetrain here running fantastic. There's definitely a lot more where that came from is what I was getting at. Beautiful build, great feeling car. Let's see how she goes down the road. Nice and straight alignment there. Great setup and just an amazing car overall. Nice smooth downshifts. A smooth ride. Contact our sales team for a test drive and check out all the details at volocars.com.
Underneath is detailed like the motor compartment, completely stock, factory correct. It's painted underneath with the right amount of like overspray, like would have come from the factory. They call it the competition suspension. I know in back it has staggered shocks, one on each side of the rear end. That's the way they came. All the steering suspension's been rebuilt, restored, refinished. Disc brakes in front, the whole brake system's been redone, the lines, e-brake assembly, fuel system, all looks real nice. That was all replaced. As the factory correct dual exhaust system. The tailpipes are tucked up there with some turned down tips, just the way it should be. You look up at the motor, it's clean, all proper components, the starter, the fuel pump. It has the correct original 4-speed transmission. It has the original rear end in back, but did come with 350 gears, has 411 gears or 410 gears in there right now. Amazing car. When I was under the hood, telling you how authentic, even the battery cables were Autolite battery cables. This is one that if you bring your expert friend or hire an expert to look at it, they're going to tell you this is a really good one. This is not your typical one going through the auction blocks or being passed around on the internet. This is an outstanding car. We're fortunate to get the car. We actually took it in on trade. The gentleman was a Mustang collector, and he had a desire for an AMX in his collection, and we had a good one, so we worked out a trade deal. That's the only way we got this one. Okay, go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your Boss 302 delivered to your door, the financing, insurance. They can help with any of that. Thanks for watching.